How to change number format on iPhone. So if you want to change how numbers appears on your iPhone, let's say you're using your iPhone calculator, and now once you open the calculator and you try to type numbers, and it appears like this. Now I want to change this particular number format to a different format. Then there's a feature to do this on your iPhone. So here, I'll show you how you can change how numbers appear on your iPhone or how the number format appear on your iPhone. So if none of this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to change number format on iPhone, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. Now once you open the settings app, scroll down and click on general. On the general page, you want to scroll down the page, click on language and region. Now under language and region, locate number format and then click on it. Here you have access to different number format. So if you select this as your number format, and now you go back to your calculator and then you try to type multiple numbers, then this is the format you're going to see. So the format will be different from the default format you have on it. You see that? We now have period instead of a comma. So if you want to change the format again to another format, repeat this, and then you should see the number change to another format you want it to be. You see that? So that is basically how to change number format on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.